Yeah, you cut bigger 360 again for your camera. Make them forward. Whoa! Watch girl. Weird. That's what she A Jamaica walk by Zin. I love the vibe.
Jamaica walk by. Jamaica walk by. Big them up.
Hey, when you see that, you're not afraid of camera. My friend, tell me something, not afraid of camera. No bother with that, man. Me tell you, it's a beautiful ladies, not shy enough. For them, big up and respect. I'm going to subscribe to my channel, please.
Oh, no, hotspot right now.
Then post my go on a hotspot. I'm going to do it right now.
Different, right now.
Jump on pan.
Are you with this?
Yeah, my channel that.
What subscribe this, man?
Yeah, I say I work to get 1 million. Yeah, watch a beat here. Cause I roll out to the doing a shorts and watch a beat, a shorts and sneakers. Watch out, man, where's the white? Yeah, I like the beat. Yeah. Look for the beat now, man. As a general, cut off foot pants and shoes, man, and white t-shirt. And I hear it, man. Oh, yeah, made blessings and respect. Hear that, my family? Yeah, man. It's a good vibe. You know, buy a whole line. I left some for me. Yeah. Oh, you mean, man? Life is beautiful. No. Yeah. You should breathe me like her though, you see me? Alright, look how me chipping it now. So I want the iPad or something. I want, we have the iPad.
You know, say this is anti-tamisha soup. You can pass, you can walk by and buy. You have 4 this cup, you have the small cup, you have the big cup, you have the large cup. You can get any kind of soup you want. Friday and Saturday, she said on Friday and Saturday, just go link her up on the gram and link up her daughter up on the gram. You have bean soup, you know that soup, you got that nice, you know.
I want another one or two. Card.
You have corn, you see the little kids them come around, you see the people them come and buy them. Yeah, we can come link her up in a
hey, touch me. How tight already?
One quote them to the boss, you hear that? Yeah.
Respect me teacher. See sign the look, jelly and beans. One-stop shop.
Alright.
When I do meat and everything.
Everything.
Lord. Fire, remember me, not tell us me I do it, man. Blessed bad respect.
So you
see me, yeah. Me not tell us me I go left it down there, man, and go we are top up so I walk it, man.
Yeah.
You think I was lying? If I'm lying, I'm dying. What the man name?
Well, I call myself Sankara, you know.
You call yourself so?
Yes. That's my name, that.
I know your mother give that one.
No, you don't love it.
You don't love it? Yeah, massive blessed and respect. Welcome to another episode from Jamaica Walk by OMG. What a vibe, what a day. I say, what day? Hold on the cuss me and tell me, say, yo, what the entire mountain view gone way up. So why me never turn down from Vineyard Road? So right about now, massive, you see the title and we are going to walk. As a matter of fact, I say attempt. I'm going to attempt to walk from right, that's how we say off Mountain View Road and Vineyard Road all the way to Downtown Kingston. And I say massive Jamaica now going too good right now, so I hope say me be safe, I hope say everything work out the way I want it to work out and all of that. I hope me can hold a vibe with some Jamaican people, some nice beautiful people. I hope me can book up on some dolly when I'm afraid of the camera too and make we can hold a vibe. Yo, in an hour time. So big up on my Excelsior High School. Massive, you don't know Excelsior High School, right up the road. You see me? Yeah, right there somebody did there one at the bus stop. I know, so we walk forward. Down us now and we are take the right turn here onto Vineyard Road. You see me? So you don't know. Blessed love again and massive. If you start watch so far, please me I beg you if you like the video, me I wait, please. You understand? So you don't know the correct name for the place is Deanery Road. You understand? See that? Deanery Road on the sign right there, so. And we are going to attack it. So if you know, say you forward at Excelsior High School, big up yourself. All the massive them from Vineyard Town, Deanery Road. Blessings and love always. You understand? No joke, no doubt. And over on my left, you have the Excelsior Community College. See? Yeah, no joke. Let me go catch a sign there, please. Good evening. Quick and fast. You know, our ladies, them not too give blind. Yeah. So, Excelsior Community College. Right, yes, sir. Man. Alright, blessings. We are moved through. You hear them now, man? So, yeah. Look good now, man. So, big up all my YouTubers them in the world. Big up all the people them who try for them skill. Remember, if I not try one thing and it not work, do me a beg on, don't give up, just go and work. See? Yeah. Or if you find another passion, you jump on it and you know come off. Remember good, Jamaica walk by, so let's go. Yeah. Alright, so all the massive them are new to the channel and you don't know what go on. You understand? Listen good. It is not a narrating channel. You understand? We don't really narrate, we just hold a vibe, we just walk. Because honestly, Jamaica me yard, but me don't know Jamaica like that. When it comes down to street name, avenues and all of the good stuff. You understand? Hold on. My friend, tell me something, not afraid of camera. No bother with that, man. Me tell you, it's a beautiful lady, it's not shy enough. Oh, no, not for shy, man. A Jamaica walk by, me I come over there. Me not ask a question. This is a time me just like to showcase all of my beautiful people. Them big up and respect. Me I go beg on to subscribe to my channel there, please.
Oh, no, hotspot right now.
Then post me go on a hotspot. I'm gonna do it right now.
Different, right now.
Jump on panny. Let me go now. Yeah, so my channel name Jamaica walk by. So we just see it here.
You just walk around now.
Walk around and hold a vibe.
Which one of them here?
I connect you right now. You know, come up here. Yeah. Wanna do YouTube?
No, but
Which school wanna go?
Epic College.
Oh, I college wanna go. Alright, that's not good. Alright, see it there? Connect to the Wi-Fi. See the password there. I try to reach my 1 million subscribers, so I work hard, you understand? But I don't come out though. Eyelash pan fleek, hairstyle. What you tell me about the hairstyle now, man? How are the designer? Yeah. Me can catch a blouse?
Eh?
Whole heap of, see there, African continents. Man. Shot. Connect, a Jamaica walk by. I work for me subscriber them.
What name?
Jamaica walk by. Yeah. I know when I walk from here, I attempt to walk from here, so go straight downtown Kingston. Think me can pull it off?
Are you this?
Yeah, my channel that.
Subscribe this man.
Yeah, I say I work to get 1 million. Yeah. Big up. Why your Instagram? Me give a shout out.
Eh?
Yeah, me give a shout out. Subscribe man and turn on the notification bell. Alright.
The phone I forgot my phone, put on Instagram?
No, you can tell me Instagram.
Oh, that's the camera.
Yeah. Yeah, man, tell me Instagram, me give a shout out, same speed, right or so. Beautiful ladies not shy. I got Pretty Pinky.
Yeah.
Pretty Pinky. Find the Instagram, my video screen. That way they know so me not last it. I give a shout out to you, yeah, my friend? This is your Instagram. Alright, see it, I'm gonna catch it. Hold on, let me make sure say. Pretty Pinky, I hear a page shot. Big up and respect. Yeah, because you can't get no followers, you start your own business, you can use them for, you know, get where you want to reach.
Your video them a million or something. Like that?
Yeah, I have millions of views on it. So big up on yourself, you know, come out, bless up on the place, and thank you for talking to me and for subscribing, alright? Yeah. Mad. Don't change though. That was nice. Mad respect as you walk through. So we're up on Vineyard Road. I got through. So yeah, massive, if you're new to the channel, this is how we do it. We just walk through, we just talk to people, all our reasoning, have a joy, you know, love, always. Big up to all of my beautiful ladies them in the street are willing to talk and hold back a joy and be manageable and just easy. Good evening, my G. Respect, respect. So yeah, and we have to a great start. Vineyard Road and thing. And we are attempt for walk, go straight downtown. Look good now, man. Let's go. So big up to that brown in there a while ago. Bless up yourself. Big up to your friend. You know what I mean? Yeah. And you see our Instagram and you can give her a follow and support her thing. You see me? Yeah, nothing wrong with that. Yeah. So over there's Francis Avenue. Thing. So when me that say, you know, when that tell me say, yo, me should I just turn for Vineyard Road, which is this Vineyard Road and thing, and just go some other part because I don't want to see no place, I don't want to see no forward from how the world works. Alright, phone the day today. So all of them people that were strong in our comment section on the Mountain View video and thing. Good afternoon, good evening. Yeah. So all of people them were did strong and come out for the Mountain View video. I say, yo, walk Vineyard Town. Alright, we're there now. So make sure some soon in our comment section comment when you see a place and all of them good stuff there and things, see? Yeah, no joke, no doubt. Big up to some of my YouTuber brethren them. You don't know Orient Freestyle and Adventure. Big up yourself, my general. You're one of the realest. And why I say that? And I tell you why I big up Orient Freestyle. I one of them YouTuber there way. If something like keep a Jamaica, them man they'll call me and say, yo, walk by, you don't know about that something there. That I go keep, you know, you hear about it. And I say, John Oster, you know something not even remember that. Yo, you have to video that, man. Go and go see if you can video that, you see me? Walk by, you know, walk this yet. Yo, you can go around this and go walk, you know, one good video, getting the people them nice around there, you know. And thing. Yeah, me rate them style there. That show me say, them man they look out for themselves alone. When me reach a foreign, them man they leave me and say, walk by here in a place, yo, we are going to link up. And them man they reach a foot, and we are going to reason. What they me up there, me tell them, say, me a forward and thing, we end up bust a few look up and thing, go eat some food and hold back a vibe, and it was just great. So big up yourself, Orient Freestyle, no joke. If you don't know about him, yeah, you can check out him channel. A good youth. Orient Freestyle and Adventure. Do him not adventurous? Yeah. Big up my brother. I don't have to big up to Jason and Gina. Massive, if me talk about Jason and Gina one more time, I don't know. But big up to Jason and Gina. You don't know, me kick it with them while I was in America for a good look a while and thing. And it was great. Great piece of stay. You understand? Very good host to me and Jason walk to tell Jason foot burn off. You understand? I left him up there. Can't walk. Jason not tell the people them. Nah, tell the people them, you know, Jason say, you can walk on my video me and me left over there, you can't walk. Yeah. So yeah, Jason, dolly them. Let's see if we can see some dolly in that video, because you don't know Jamaica bully for dolly. So we passed two dolly where it was nice and we talked to them. A big girl them, because college them go and base it. So we can follow the social, see? No joke, no doubt. Vineyard Road, let's do this. Let's do it. So as me say, massive Jamaica now going to good. Me I hope the youths them just start wise up. Big up to Vibes Cartel for that speech that when me see him say what they say. Yo, the youths them to load the badness. Say Vibes Cartel can tell us if you load the badness, load the crime. You understand? And go chill on a poolside and kick it to the girl upstairs and all them things and get a family, and that's the motive. So please, me I beg you to listen. Because if a man like him can afford and tell him that, you know say it's serious. See me? So, I just do the right thing. See, I walk the street and I show love and thing, and it's a joy and it's a great feeling and I love it. So, yeah. Big up on yourself. You see how your bag pretty?
And you can't stop it. Them can't come back. Stop.
Yeah. No joke, no doubt. So if you just join again, please may I ask you to turn on your notification if you subscribe to the thing. If you don't subscribe yet to Jamaica Walk By, please may I beg you to subscribe and turn on the notification so you can be notified every time I post a videos in. Yeah, that may I ask you now. So please do that for me. Road to 1 million subscribers, that's my thing there. 1 million subscribers me I work for. 1 million subscribers. And I just say champion. We're going to 200,000 you know, so let's keep it going. Yeah. Boy, Jano, more time I want to reason with the man them and thinking about Jano, the man them, sometimes the man them have one persona there, where them and they look on the corner and them a beat them grades and them a drink them juice. It's like, you know, so welcoming for you, give them a chat. Majority of the time. Because sometimes some of them can be all artists and all of them things then it's like a man them look so unapproachable, brother. For young youths. Boy, may I tell you. And I like saying, you know, I don't want to chat to you them more time, you know, but God know. Them so unapproachable, brother. Yeah, man. Let's go. Godfather. Blessed. Good evening, you know. Yeah. So that nice to go through across the road. This okay. Yeah. Popular spot this. Blessed, blessed. Let's go. We have a long way to go, bro. Indian. Good evening. Where are you, channel? Alright, which road this now? Look like in name Antrim Road. She signed the lady down over one part over there, so. Yeah, Antrim Road. And we are moved through. Still on Dina remain, because I know me not turn off and no other stretching a car. Why? The experience them not nice. I hope them side they are different place. Oh, dogs them out. Yeah, Dina Road. Vineyard Town, differently. See? Let's go. Big up me YouTubers them, all the YouTubers them when me ever collaborate with. You don't know, big up on yourself. Big up to who me never collaborate with yet. You understand? I have to give a big up to Tyler Oliveira, yo. You give Jamaica Walk By one real international push. You understand? So big up to Tyler Oliveira anywhere you're there in the world, me general. You're a real youth. You see me? Yeah, so big up anywhere you're there, Tyler. Christmas list. Yeah, me general. Yeah. You're one of the first person. Oh, you mean? Youngsters them out. Look like you're blast off. Machine. Yeah. Well, yeah, man. Big up the Christmas list. Always. No joke. No doubt. Yeah. Why Jamaica? But like everywhere man them put a bathroom. Because man I do it brawling. Yeah, man. So if you don't hear me not calling a name, I don't know less important. You know what I mean? I walk and I really not gonna get to call everybody name, but big up on yourself, anyone of them. Big up to some of my subscribers them, my members them. Yo, my members them on YouTube, big up on yourself straight. You see me? Big up to most of the subscribers them, I always there and I premiere them and all of them good things. Them Mark Brown, they don't know Preston, Charlton, Cadine, Sterling, You understand? Diane Hunt. Big up every time. You don't know Jason and Gina same way Orient Freestyle. Big up Cameron family. Big up Cameron family TV. Same speed. You understand? Big up Marvin Sinclair. You know me not forgot you, my G. Blessings and respect. Big up Miss Charmaine. Miss Charmaine, big up yourself now, man. Look good now, man. Yeah. Just I call some name off the top of my head as I walk on Vineyard Road. Yeah, man. Big up to everybody who actually donate to the channel too. Via PayPal, Cash App, or Zelle. Blessings and love and respect to all of them persons that will take them hard-earned money and donate to Jamaica Walk by and say, yo, buy a drink, you. We love the walking. We love the vibe. We love the energy. You understand? Big up to all of you where you do that. You see me? So, see it there? Vineyard Road. Vineyard Road. And Culinary Road. See? Alright, let's do this. So big up to you for donating. And all our members them to pay. And pay for the membership a month time. Blessings and respect for that. Super duper appreciated. Big up to my partner in crime, you understand? Lexi. One Lexi, them don't know. Blessings, my baby. Outside with it. There. Oh, a massive big congratulations to Rowley So Easy. The balloon boss. Call him pop the balloon boss. You don't know, man, pop the big question what they hear. And then wife he say yes. So the man won't forget married. Yeah. Bad thing Rolly. Big congratulations Rolly. You do it. Big up to pop the balloon and crew. You see me? Life boss. Big up yourself now, man. Look good. But I do it, youth. It's a mad vibe. It's a mad energy. Yeah. How you pronounce that now? Wexford Road? Mad thing. So we're right on Wexford Road also. Man, let's go. And we are looking for walk go downtown. Although them places kind of set away, but we are stay up on the main. We are stay up on the main and thing. So I share a story with you now. So I normally walk them places back in the days, like long time. I normally hold a Mountain View vehicle, come off up me so, and walk come down them side there and think, or that just hold something come straight or so. Why? Because the studio writer's on him Grafton. Big up to Mikey Bennett, Nicky B, Dean Fraser, all the people that I normally follow that so come hold a vibe with. Ghost, big singer Ghost, big up yourself. Who normally there so? Sasha, Turbulence. Whole heap of artists I normally book up here so. I wonder if we can make a walk over there today and see if we can see nobody. So what sign look like. Some look out, I just catch some of my thing them on the wall. Can I see it? I'm bright up back them designer and Mr. Bennett. Where's Mr. Bennett? I'm bright up back them designer, this mad. Yeah. No joke, come out there. I can see if we can bust a little turn off, see if we can see nobody when we know over there. And show a little bit of what going on. Yeah. So Grafton. Big up to my G there from Stone Love who actually give me the link to Grafton back in the days. You see it? And shout Mikey Bennett and say, yo, I send a little singer come down there and come make a meet him and I hear him sound like, because he can make a show. Blessed. Hello. I see nobody. I know what go on yet. Hello. Who the bot? Security. Security. You know the studio life go. More time man and then I studio. I go and work. Security. Who the bot? So one car over there still in, so I know a studio life is a people always there. Remember me telling you. So security. Alright, we not get nobody. Me not even see nobody peep out. Nobody no peep out. So make we see what go on. Alright, see what surveillance camera there? Nobody no see me on the camera. Who they about? Jaja. Massive, this will be a nice vibe for showing a Grafton, you know. After all these years, a good joy. You see how that mango tree there? Whenever I watch a video, a song with Sasha and Turbulence, and they say, we've got the love others are searching for. Right in the mango tree there, Sasha and Turbulence did sit down. Right in the mango tree there, see mango tree still standing. Look good now, man. Yeah. Right tonight, so you can go watch back that video there and see Sasha and Turbulence in the mango tree there. So all who want to know which mango tree that's it there. Right over Grafton Studio there. No joke, no doubt, man. Yeah. Alright, we not get nobody. We not see nobody. Me shout. And I see me call loud and bass and thing and we not get nobody. So we are going to just go on through. I try. My friend, beg you subscribe to my YouTube channel. You have something in your ears? Hello? Oh, you have in your ears? I beg you subscribe to my channel, please. My YouTube channel. Learn for the camera. You have something in your ears? I say I open up for the camera. I beg you subscribe to my YouTube. But I can't tell him. I can't tell about it. I can tell him from way across the road. She know me, Lord. Jamaica walk by.
Jamaica walk by?
Yeah. Can't give a shout out to. You're there on Instagram? What's your Instagram? You find me. You can make me know say you. So we can put your Instagram on the screen. We can put your Instagram on the screen. No. Alright then, big up yourself here. Jamaica walk by here. Alright, one love. Think we can pull it off, me I walk straight downtown. Yeah. It's a vibe, it's an energy, we are both you. We really want to see somebody over Grafton, but yeah, me shout them, I call them, I don't know what go on. Nah, very cool. Yeah. Alright, Vineyard Town. Blessed, respect. Manners. Jamaica walk by, nothing me can feature style. Jamaica walk by, walk on video. But my life you can feature style, you don't know anything go. Yeah. No, I'm not live doing it, but I record, I walk and record, but I not cut. Because people them like the natural vibe and the natural energy. That's why I turn it down the road. Because more time I man them boy, I don't know. Yo. But yeah, massive, this is how we always do it in Jamaica. And look at ends, you can pass, you see some fruits. So I tell you what is a generally I got right. So we have a sweet orange them over here. So we have a star fruits them right. So and so foreign apple, we mix up a thing right. So I don't know with Jamaican pine. What kind of pine them? What them on the name again? Can I look? Where go? Cheese pine. So massive, this is what we not see in a foreign, none at all. June plum. I don't know why, but I don't see June plum afar. You understand, man, of the grapes and all of them good things. They just fall in and buy. With them on Vineyard Town Road, right? I see a father and buy fruits, them sweet orange and basin thing. Throw a nice scale and go on. Oh, you mean you peel all the June plum them too? Yeah. Beat them with salt. Watch I see all the salt. You look good now. So in Jamaica, we beat this with this. Nothing beat that if you ever put in a one bag and you start rolling. That is the real June plum. Every school has a stop by. You understand, Indian? So respect and manners every time. You know, I attempt to walk from Excelsior, go straight downtown and do the same thing. I just walk and I will vibe. They make blessings and respect, hear that? Yeah man, no joke. Jamaica walk by here. That make you now subscribe, you know. Alright, big up, hear that teacher? Respect. Yeah. So I just made that. You know, so I look on the general, them laugh and I will vibe and I say them look pleasant and them things. So I say, no, most can heal up to teacher. Same speed, no joke, no doubt. And see there, it's a success as we walk through. No joke. See another spot here, look good. Low man thing named Jerk Center. Blessed and respect. Jamaica walk by in them town like I'm a yard. Some like say big pot them clean on the roadside and pretty, you know. And why another pot of mommy? Red peas soup. Chicken foot and cow skin, Lord. Look right there, so now. So this is a whole shop in a massive. Look good. Mobile shop. A jerk center, as in the whole jerk center. Look good. Mad thing. So jerk chicken in this, no joke thing. Blessings and respect. So, see, whoa, it's a whole heap of sitting over here, so man. All of my Jamaica walk by massive. This is how we do it in Jamaica. It's always vibe and love. I know up on a Friday evening, it is like this. See our sauce over there, so chef no look like him in a talking or nothing. Chef just go and beat it. Blessed me, elder. Yeah, your shirt white like Jesus one. Yeah. Big up every time. But yeah, man, our nice to go vibe on Vineyard Road. Look good, place nice and clean. That's how we deal with it. You understand? Look good. What you say? Grade the soup now, man. Out of 10, how much I get? Right on camera, right as a brawling, how much I get?
Yes, I drink the soup. I drink the soup already.
Yeah, man, how much I get? If you ever rate it out of 10, how much I get? Right as so. 100. Low, you hear that, mama? No. Not even 10 in now. I say out of 10 and he say 100. The scale pop off and dash way. Yeah, man, at them thing they love. Say, son, feel like loving ice soup.
Oh, yes.
And from loving ice soup, the greatest thing that in the name of put no salt, no nothing else. Respect and manners, heart of love. Zane, bless it. Take care, big general. A Jamaica walk by here. We just walk and preach love and showcase my brother and sister them. Respect. Yeah, look how man shot white man. Look like he just take you out of plastic. Yeah, watch a beat here. Cause some roll out to the dinner shorts and watch a beat, shorts and sneakers.
Wife can't wash one.
Watch out, man, where's the wife?
Wife can't wash one.
Yeah, I like the beat.
Yeah.
Look for the beat now, man. As a general, cut off foot pants and shoes, man, and white t-shirt. You know, hear it, man.
Wife can't wash one.
Oh, yeah, man. Blessings and respect. Hear that, my family?
Yeah, man.
It's a good vibe. Yeah. It's nice. It's nice. Good evening. Man as my teacher. So we're up on Vineyard Road massive. And we are head downtown area. See if we can pull off the walker. As you look, as you see what going on with Jamaica. Regardless of what is going on in the country, we are going to have some fun and we're going to preach love and unity, same speed. You understand? Yeah? Am I right? Can I get an amen now, man? Yeah. Let's move through. Watch out. Food like wow in Jamaica. Cane on the corner. Coconut. Yes, fire. Big up every time now, man.
Yes, sir.
Man with the sweet cane and thing. Coconut. Blessings. A Jamaica walk by, understand? That's how we walk through and do it. Are you buy a full eye, Shelly? You don't buy a full eye? I left some for we. Oh, you mean, man? Life is beautiful.
No.
Yeah.
That's why I get it.
Big up, man. Can I beg you subscribe to the channel? You can check it out here. Jamaica walk by here. Yeah, man. Thank you so much. Blessed here, fire. Look more. Outside. Good evening. So let's go. So yeah, we're still on Vineyard Town Road or Vineyard Road. You don't know how I think go as you walk through on Jamaica walk by. So far it's been great and we are all apologizing. Yeah. So if you don't watch thus far, I'm asking you to subscribe to the channel. I'm asking you to like the video. Please, 1,000 likes quick and fast. 1,000 likes. If you watch right now and you don't like it, nobody wait till the video done. Nobody wait till the video done. Just like it. Same time. Yeah. Respect. We are go through. When somebody comment one time and say, yo, so you have manners in a real life or just you just do that for the video? Well, if you know me in a real life, I do some mistake, I can't help it. I don't know how people just walk past people like close up and personal and can't say good evening. They just walk past. Well, if me do it, me feel away. I now go around. Sometimes I want to hold my mouth and I can't hold it. Like, no, me and that blessed good evening, respect. Yeah, you see, me can't help it. Me just have to say it. So, we not do them thing for sure because you can't make up them thing, bro. You understand? This is our now. Lanston Road. See it there? Big up all Lanston Road, massive. We outside. Mad thing. What the DJ from Spanish Town say? Yeah, but not Spanish Town. The DJ from Chestnut Lane say. When name Knock It. So Knock It say. When God a work, tell bad mind no bad a work. Right now, I wanna my thought that so. Big up Knock It. Big up yourself every time. One bad DJ. Bad your friend. So all who never hear about that DJ there, check out that video there when we do from Tivoli Garden all the way to Orange Street. That's top Orange Street. The general name Knock It. And the man say when God a work, tell bad mind no bad a work. You hear? That is it. So big up all Chestnut Lane massive, all Tivoli massive, all massive from Jamaica. Where they are go and do it? Outside. Here's St. Joseph Avenue. When can see it? Catch a sign. St. Joseph Avenue as we move through. Orient Freestyle, I hear that machine. Yeah. Okay, when I first met one of this in Jamaica, they call Silent Zone. I wonder why. Where am I? St. Joseph Hospital. Okay. So we're in our silent zone, so I'm gonna tone my voice down. So St. Joseph Hospital is over there. And thing. As we proceed. But yeah, here's our vibe. Now we're outside. This is the entrance here. Yeah. Good evening. Yeah. Good afternoon. So we are walk, massive, we are walk. And it's a vibe so far. So please give the video a like there. Everybody please. 1,000 likes quick and fast. Wanna hear that? Yeah man. Yeah man. Big up on yourself, even yours. Respect. Oh yeah, Jamaica walk by. Yeah, big up. Yeah, Jamaica walk by, that's on my YouTube. Alright fam. Wait. Boy, it look like me and you see wrong in your car. You don't know. Full black. What you say, little man? You're wicked. Yeah, what me say a while ago? Good evening, my friend. Yeah, teacher. Jesus, catch a little man. Yeah, for me, Jamaica, them not easy, man. Yeah. But I talked to her, but you know she depend on her phone, so we don't mash up the thing. I hope you like the vibe, you know, in Jamaica. This is it. You see me? Ah, sure. Yeah. So we're outside. Yeah man, what a vibe so far. It's been nice. So another insect. Good evening, good evening. You know, me not really interview to walk and talk, you know. They say about more time the ladies, and we see them with kids and something about that set up because sometimes they don't want to child up on camera, so they turn across the road. You see me right now, you see me standing by yourself, you don't have to tell your dolly. Because we have to go find out who for dolly this. Yeah man, a Jamaica walk by, you understand? So me actually walk from Excelsior and I attempt to walk go straight downtown. So we just walk with a vibe video and just have a joy. Jamaica walk by. But me actually post a video on YouTube. Okay. Yeah man, you ain't turn it by yourself man and think. Me never go talk to that Dalia. Massive if here, I say I read that she have one pink slippers, I see. Pink band, white blouse, black jeans, and one nice little pink thing in her ear. She come out. You understand? I should be no one thing father go see her. Big up here? Yes, I. See I wanted a nice spot over there, so jelly coconut and thing over there, so I go on. I know me I go over there. I can go over there. Over here so look festive. Make her run the teacher. Whoa yo. Even, you know, I couldn't pass a spot here. I'll be a dolly, me see over here. You see your ball out and me not turn the seat, you notice you're up there already. No, Jamaica walk by this. Me not stream live actually. But me walk and showcase the natural vibe in Jamaica. But you see me dolly them, me not like pass. Because all of me general them, you see me can't catch two Wi-Fi back one over here. See put them on the side there and be sitting and go on. Alright then, I see a word then. Wanna run from the natural vibe and the energy for?
Hey, driver, driver, sir, video and cut her out.
No, yeah, let me tell you, me say, I be a peace and love be deal with. So if you complain, yeah, but your family and friends, you see a dolly, you know, we can't get a shout out. No. So mama said, alright, no big up on yourself and take it easy. Me attempt to walk from eh?
No one talk about this here from our work.
See camera point over there, so. Me, you know, remember because I walk past and that video without saying nothing, you know, but to me have manners and say, me just say, Ray, so me come over.
To promote that wholesale, Jesus Christ, you want to promote that.
And you feel like you want to come in front of the camera, come do it? Yeah, man, you come do it.
You have to say dance move.
You dance at all?
Yeah,
you. Alright, so Jamaica walk by is that me walk and talk, all a vibe, all a reason, showcase the natural vibe, natural ambience.
Every Friday and Saturday, come over.
Yeah, then come over here, so because she don't want to go in the camera. Yeah. You should bring me like her though, you see me? Alright, look how me chipping it now, so I want to go on the iPad or something. I want to go on, we have an iPad.
You know say this is anti-tamisha soup, you can pass, you can walk by and buy. You have 4 mils cup, you have the small cup, you have the big cup, you have the large cup, you can get any kind of soup you want. Friday and Saturday, she said on Friday and Saturday, just go link her up on the gram or link up her daughter up on the gram. Clean soup, you know that soup you got that nice. You know?
I want another one or two. Corn.
One thing you have corn, you see the little kids them come around, you see the people them come and buy. Yeah. You can come link her up in a.
Hey, touch me. Link up there, sir. Yeah, where your TikTok there? How your TikTok go?
My TikTok go?
Yeah.
Alright guys, just follow me and you're pretty woman, Sky, Wanda, tada!
Let me see if you dance. Come on, let's see you can dance. Let's say you can dance. Give me a cappella dance. You ready? Oh. So Right away, call it so jellies and these.
Vineyard Road.
Vineyard Road. Hey, they know exactly what
I'm
they know why.
Black to school.
They know, you know why they don't know exactly which one? Because from your video from Excel, so I no cut. So they must follow me, so they must see exactly where me tap. See spot here. Look good. Hey man, see we have some dollar. We tell them free the cameraman. See $1. See that dance man, you come out. And big up to the business. And see that over there, sir.
Yeah.
Big up yourself, man. Clean, mama.
Yeah.
How you mean?
The soup tastes nice.
The car in that pot there. See how the cooler look good. Look good. That's how we do it. Pot be clean. How you mean? Watch out.
The gentleman there too. Fruits man.
Okay, man. Hey, a breeze blow through the fruits then. Sell off. How you mean? Big up our respect. You hear that? Ah, jelly?
Yeah.
Jamaica, remember hold on the camera because one day I say no one go on the camera. I don't know where I go on. So watch, you see there? Authentic jelly. Right from the tree to your belly. Ah! That one there bad. Big up on yourself. Remember what they do? Outside. How over one over there?
These wholesale.
So look good. Let's have to go over the wholesale. Make it look good. See that? Jellies and these wholesale. Whoa, remember what they do? Can you say what she don't want to go on the camera? Make me not catch her. But see it here. Jellies and these wholesale. Then say we promote the place here. You understand? Right on Vineyard Road. So it's like a mini supermarket. Look good. Oh gosh, man. Alright, so look. Crazy snacks and thing. The place I look like it new. My friend, I people them cross the road so me make sure so me promote the place here. So me not pass.
Yeah, man.
You understand? Jelly and these. Yeah. See all the general in there. Massive become like our supermarket. You understand? Crazy snacks.
Yeah, man.
Everything there. Look good now, man. All the party them and thing empty out tight already.
You know. One quote them to the boss. You hear that? Yeah.
Respect me teacher. See sign the look. Jelly and these.
Yes,
one stop shop.
Alright.
When they do meat and everything.
Everything.
Lord. Look good now, man. How you mean? Lord. So jelly and these big up every time. You dolly them cross the road to make sure some turn up over here. Look on the sign. So everything here, so look good. Meat, mutton, local mutton, turkey neck, watch out, turkey wing, everything good. Lord, look good. Pork leg, hang, pig tail, pig chatters, pork, yo, bacon, everything. And from chicken to fish to beef. A mad thing. Jelly and this, right on Vineyard Road, there, so look good. Place clean and thing, fresh and nice. You don't think I miss that shit? Look good now, man. Mad something, man. One Jamaica walk by, see it here. Yeah, she dancing me. Mad, look good. We outside. Yeah, she dance. Big up on yourself and respect, yeah. And Jamaica walk by. Yeah. Y'all never subscribe to your thing, you know.
Bro, I watch a long time, I walk from my spine, I walk from Blood Street.
Spot, so 3 miles go downtown all them thing. Yeah, man. Yeah, Jamaica walk by. Right now, after Excel, I go straight to downtown. Yeah, man. No joke. Just straight vibe, straight energy. And big up me dolly them and all, and me general them. You don't know? How you mean? Bless up here. Wanna take it easy. One love, man. Yeah, sorry guys. A vibe is a energy. You don't know, more time you know what it's about. Nothing wrong with just spending the time to explain the thing. Big up to that girl a while ago, we showcase our mama thing. I said mama have the best soup and corn on the corner right there, so right across from Jelly and these. Yeah, Jelly and these. Wholesale. No joke, no doubt, man. It's a vibe, it's an energy, and we love it. What I say? The vibe right so far? That is it, man. We're doing it. Let's go, man. Why me I tell you, Jamaica nice here, you know. Jamaica nice. Me not go tell you no joke. Jamaica nice. I just 1 and 2 people down here make it thing look away, boy. Me really hope say them can realize and just stop the foolishness. And just let's work, let's do this and let's do it the right way and live in our love. Everybody will live longer and happier. See? Look how nice that was a while ago. They just up on the corner, they say go and drink some soup and them go and enjoy themselves. Soup a sell, corn a sell, jelly a sell, fruits a sell, and people just are living a love. And that we want, man. I mean, I'm going to stop saying. You see me? No joke, man. You know we're not turning off in a lane, so we are showing you the right way from the outside. Pedestrian crossing, look how you use it. Not test. Alright. Respect. Alright. Clancarty Primary School. That is it. Oh, you mean? So I want to see what we're there. And we're moving. We're moving. Oh yes. Remember me, not tell us that I do it, man. Blessed bad respect.
So what, you
see me
down there?
Yeah. Me not tell us that I go left it down there, man, and go way at top up so I walk it, man.
Yeah.
You think I was lying? If I'm lying, I'm dying. What is my name?
Well, I call myself Sankara, you know.
You call yourself so?
Yes. That's my name. That.
I know your mother gave that one.
No, you don't love it.
You don't love it?
So the guy you come here, so
Yeah.
Sankara.
Sankara. Yeah. Big up me general, respect.
Yeah.
All is well. Yeah, man, Sankara.
We call me. Then
Yes, sir.
you know, come from work.
Yeah, beat the Bob Marley shirt, that thing. One love the man.
Yes.
Yeah. So, massive big here, so me stop and me I get the drone shot the bad thing. So you know, say me I mean that whole look a race. And me I tell him what me I gonna do, but him think I joke me I make and say me still pass and end up on the front and cool out. Yeah, you look like an artist, you know sing?
No.
Nah, DJ?
No.
Why you look like one veteran artist, so?
No.
No?
You know enough for them.
You're a foreigner?
Cause no really foreigner, you know, me a Jamaican.
Jamaican.
African Jamaican.
Oh, you be but touch with her, man. Respect and love always, man. A Jamaica walk by the channel name, you know?
Yeah?
Yeah, Jamaica walk by. So
you have no thing.
Me not have no card right now, them done. So on YouTube, so if you can go on your YouTube, you just type in Jamaica walk by.
On YouTube, my son IT special.
Yeah, man, you just tell him, man, make him find the channel, man.
Yeah.
And you can watch it. So how far me reach from downtown? Me not going too bad though.
No, man, you know.
Nah, going bad at all.
You go down, yes or no?
Yeah, me I go take a left there.
Yeah. No.
You take a left there, come on, go back on
Where you want to go?
But me end up go back on what they call it? What the road name? No, I take a left here and go straight down to.
Road.
Yes.
Oh.
So we are take that and go straight
You
down.
go take this road. Oh.
But yeah,
You go take that left here. And you just that get your right.
straight down.
I understand what you need.
We are go on. Yeah.
You go carry
And then we
Victoria Avenue.
it's a reason someone take a right now to go straight in a downtown to St. Thomas bus stop side.
Right.
Right. That's someone me I go.
Well, you are going to go straight down.
Yeah.
You know, go over Penitentiary side.
No.
You know, cross the light. You know, so go make the right.
Right. That is it.
Understand? And you make the right.
Straight again.
Straight in that town.
Straight in that town. Oh, yeah. I don't say Windward Road. But walk the whole thing come straight down already to you know.
You walk on Windward Road?
Yeah man.
Oh, so
right from the KFC, go straight downtown.
On the new road yet?
No, I didn't go on the new road.
Mandley.
Yeah, we are taking all our old road them. Because people don't want me. All I hell of them are foreign and think want to see which of them in there, you know? Yeah. Yeah, that's how we do it, but so blessings and respect always. Hear me teacher? Yeah, man as well. Yeah, heal again. That right is it. What's my name again?
You forget.
No, because you know a whole heap of things that me, you know. Sankara. Remember your name unusual, you know, and everybody have that one. You know? And I like your name David. Or Sam. Sankara.
Yes,
That is it, man. Original Sankara. Figure that. Blessings and love here. Yeah? But like how you keep a place clean and nice.
I walk in studio, you have to win them up.
Yeah, oh. Yeah, you stay right as so. Yeah, oh. Markup. So you go and bill when school be over? How they do? Yeah, no, me understand the chap. So you there so like your mini security for your wall. The painting and mix you. They walk down the mark and draw the name for it. It's in back. Hey, Mr. Sankara, don't make them dry out, you know. Place clean and nice, though. Me like it. Clean and nice. You can hear so look like one nice little pitch up spot for you. Every day. Touch it, Mr. Sankara.
So what's my name?
Fabian, my name. And the channel at Jamaica walk by.
They have one friend named Fabian, he must be Italy.
Yeah, we in the four. Now in the Italy, they call him Fabian.
They must be
Yeah. Alright, take it easy, man. They are going to hold it downtown. It's a vibe for easy there. Anytime I pass, I show it, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Mr. Sankara. See me now, forget it, you know.
Fabian, you're not going to forget that.
Hey, don't tell us that Jamaica walk by Fabian, you know. Take it easy. One Sankara. Yeah, but me and me did the razor. Yes, Empress, you come right out. Lovely attire, yeah? Nice and gorgeous, man. Clean and wonderful. Nice, man. Blessings and love, yeah? Yeah, man, every time. Big up Sankara. Yeah, great Sankara. Yeah, when we pass in the old school and over. So guess what? Him just stand up there and make sure say, no, we're not going to mark up a wall today. No, we're not going to mark up a wall. You don't want if you take picture and them things, but you don't want to mark you up and basing thing. That not go on. So he say, yeah man, anytime school for over, he does make sure he stay right there so. And stop all like Dolly house. Nobody can mark up him wall. One Sankara, man. Yes. Big up every time, Elder. And the man keep the place clean, man. It's beautiful. And the man say it costs money for paint and all of them sitting there. Come on, did it nice. Can't mess it up. All of my schoolers, them will do that on the road. The road, man. Can't do that. I can't do that, man. On the road, man. Alright, so see the left here we are talking about and now what we are going to take. We jump on the left here. And we are going to go straight down and now. You see me? Right, the left is supposed to bring me now. Windward? You don't quote me on that one day now. Go straight back and then we are take it right. And go straight downtown. You understand? Yeah, it's a great vibe, man. Football field over there, so it's beautiful. And you can look on the drone shot on that. Very beautiful football field over there, so. I'm see around 4 hours. 4 hours, so. Football field on a stretch up on my right hand side going down. But beautiful, you know? Yeah. These are one of the things I don't like too, you know, man. We have to do better with the garbage them, yo. And the disposing things, man. We need to do better when it comes on to disposing of our garbages, man. On a main road like this, not supposed to look like this, man. We have to do better, man. And I know so on Jamaica walk by everything we have to do. Every vibe. Oh, this massacre. Mad red Porsche. Mad machine. Yeah. Let's go. So we are almost an hour in the video, I tell you. If you're still here, Thank you so much for watching. We're in Jamaica, we're walking, and we are showing you the real vibe in Jamaica. The right, authentic vibe. Things that we can't make up. You know? What you see is what you get. What is going on is actually what just go on. You can squeeze through that. You don't know. Oh, yo. Careful, you know. Yeah. So this is a Victoria Street. No dumpings, you have a big sign. Yeah, as we move through. So we are walk some place where people not normally walk and all of them something there. Places where you wouldn't typically sip on video. You know, say that Jamaica walk by you go do. You understand? So we have Alpha Infant School, center camera, blessings. Yeah. Right for my right. So that's Alpha Infant School over there. That is it. Good evening. Evening. Blessed love. Jamaica walk by here, my friend. I beg you one subscribe here. Yes, man. That is it. Let's squeeze through right this side. Okay. Irie. Big up my brother Extreme Arts. I don't know. Yeah. Big up Extreme Arts. All the time. And all my new subscribers, big up every time, man. If you're new to Jamaica walk by, make sure say you just stay and go and stay tuned. So right there, so we have Wellington Street. See sign the pan up there, so yeah. So all my new subscribers to Jamaica walk by, please me I beg you now. Don't just subscribe, but like the videos. You understand? Please leave some comments in the comment section. You remember you can comment 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times. Look how we have to do it in Jamaica. Upon a main road, main road, they have this is a pit that, Tell me, son, I want pick that, All them are going to do a show some mall in it like this, so. And then you don't know where they chew up on that. All of them main road are come like you drive through riverbed. Channel Star. At least down as actually have a look up piece of sidewalk. Where light post and take it. My word. Oh, let's go. Nice, you could spot this. Yeah. Let's do this. Over this, so now you have nice feel to again. Oh. Turn my camera over there, so you know, cause if I start look, I don't want you get scared, and I'm maybe going to subscribe to my YouTube channel there. Jamaica walk by. I don't like party that in the street. You mean that there, so you're not acknowledge your beauty.
Why you have video?
I don't video, see that down the road, I video, see that in front of you. No. If you have video, just still in and see you do the right nice thing, I said. I go see if you
If you have video now, we have video.
Alright, you see from here, video from up, so that's why I want on the camera. I'm saying that I can come talk to you.
What do you say?
Jamaica walk by. Yeah, I mean that. So right now I walk from Excelsior and I go straight downtown. Straight vibes, yeah. But then I want to go look how far I reach. Look a bit more walk. Look a bit, yeah, from Excelsior High School I walk from. So, look how far, no one from 3 miles, but no one from Woolabag and Maple. Yeah. So my friend, so now subscribe to the channel, right? I can't show off on the beauty.
No.
No, I can't give you Instagram shout out. No, we can't even pick up your hairstylist.
No.
Oh, God. Alright, big up for the same. I love you. Yeah, please subscribe. Nice. Yeah. could I video them still, but me say me nah do it, cause you know mama no do her year yet and basing things, so I want she fi on fleek when she go up on camera. If she ain't business you know, we don't do it. You don't know? Yeah. So we are going. So I see them actually did hold on the camera for 2 man, cause I say I nah go video them. I seen me pass them, so I go talk to them. But your mama look like she go sort out her ear and her beer thing. I say, alright then. I free pass that for ladies them and I book them in the street. But yet still have some no really business, you know. Then we go up on camera seeing we man and whole a joy and whole a vibe. You see me? Sometimes when my spirit tell me say, stop and talk to them and hear what them I say, I just work with it, you know. Oh, that predator! Predator! Man have a predator helmet. So them are real Kingston. You hear when you hear people talk about real Kingston, real authentic Kingston. Where there, you see me? Real authentic. Good evening. Real authentic Kingston with it. Wow, that nice here, man. Wow, yo. A while ago, I tell her, I look for walk, go straight downtown. She steer out of here, look at me like she say, yeah, you must be one crazy guy. Yeah, man. Walking is what's the word? Therapy. Walking is my therapy. Yeah. That is it. Let's go. So what we have here? Look like one school, like an infant school is. Clean and nice, and it looks safe, well fence up and thing for the kids them. Alright. See? Yeah, Gifted Minds Kindergarten. That is it. So yeah, we are go through. No joke. Purple. Big up and respect, man. That is it, man. One love, is it? Yeah. So we have Kingston College over there, so. See there? Purple and white. A mad thing, man. Purple and white. Kingston. Yeah. Great KC. Yeah, man. The purple and the white and all of them thing there. Big up to all like Kingston College. Massive them, you see me? Yeah, no joke. So this is the back of the school actually. The front is actually on another lane up the road. Me don't walk that turn off there. Oh, sit. But bossy. Let me really look, should be it. Cause sometimes I mix up, you know. If you tell them the God truth. If I'm a KC, I wish I one. Purple and white. Now I'm a KC. Although, I have a whole heap of brilliant and bright subscribers. So walk by your right, that's how you're there. Or another you're there. Yeah, man, see there? KC, man, Kingston College. That is it. Where's the one purple and white? That is it, man. So, Kingston College. No joke, no doubt. See it here, man. I was like, I wonder if I'm tripping. I wasn't tripping, man. Kingston College. Mad thing. 1 KC. Yeah. So with the real inner city, you know, you see me? Yeah. Outside. That's style right across the gutter, yeah? Now this bossy. Right on the gutter side, man. So over there's a Norman Crescent. Norman Crescent, see sign there. Okay. Yeah, me teacher. Respect. Jamaica walk by, you understand? Blessings and respect, hear that? Our cake sale, you done already? To go and see you where? Yeah, man, we say every Friday, every Saturday. One half? Oh gosh, man. So yeah, that's how we do it, man. So good luck, hear me teacher. Hope the rest of them sell out before they're done, you know. That is it, man. Oh, see it here, chat with it. Big up a spot here, open now. LM, Lee's Miguel, oh, across the road there, see it here? Lee's Miguel, Meat and More Limited, right across the road. Right across the road, look good. No joke, they say no open, so check them out. See big sign up on the wall, Lee Miguel's. And them do delivery too, so you know where the chap go. Just call them anywhere in Kingston, then we reach at your yard. One more time. Them not have a number on this still, but ain't no number on the pony at all. Ah, see you over there. Better go across the road, go see that one. Yeah. Lee's Miguel. Look good. See it, see them number here. Yeah, man, so if you're in Kingston here, you know about that place, yeah? Yeah, you can definitely check them out. Them sell meat, grocery, liquor, chemicals, over the counter, pharmaceuticals and more. Man thing, man. That is it. Ah, my teacher, respect. Cool. Outside. Yeah, man, let's do this. Real inner city with it. I'll go on. Hope you love the video, hope you enjoy the vibe. Rock school, what's up? This needs to fix. Ja, it's a rough one. Pick this in the road, okay. Now middle of the road. Come on, we need a part of a speak. Look there, man. This is not safe. But the dog are brave too. Yeah. You know say I want pit that in the middle of the road? You know say I want pit in the middle of the road?
You measure about 10 times and go measure it.
About 10 times and go measure it?
Alright, you go.
Yeah, Jamaica walk by.
Yeah, man.
You have a video it, man, because this one look good in the middle of the road.
Everybody's going to look it.
So no pass?
Yeah.
Can't pass it?
Yeah, that's what I said.
But I have edgy. Lord God.
Yeah, man, I will watch your YouTube channel, man.
Yeah, man, Jamaica walk by, you see me? Respect our manners, man. We are there to do some clean up.
Yeah, last time I see you watch, I walk from Monday, but I'm going to
yes. So right now, I walk from Excelsior, go straight downtown.
Okay.
Yeah, man, respect and thanks for watching the video. You hear that?
Yeah,
What is my name?
Philip, man.
Philip.
Yeah, man.
Philip, you go and good, you know.
Right.
But this look like around 10 man work, you know.
No, man, so I'm in the work and I'm not with you.
Yeah, you just go and the rest and go on again. Ah, gosh, man. Oh, you be blessings and love always. Hear that? Respect. Big up every time, man. Outside. Chef! Outside! Yeah! Watch a man, Pablo's country style jerk chicken. Mad thing, Pablo. Oh, you mean? Make sure you buy from Pablo later in the moment. I always buy from Pablo. Oh gosh. Ah, things, man, we're there. Outside. We're there, downtown, real Kingston vibe. As we move through, and a whole of energy and a whole of vibe. It's just great. You don't know? Outside. Look good, we are going. Nice recreational spot and thing as we go through. So big up to everybody who actually watch my video them. Super appreciate it. Fan man, I could have really hold on, you know. Oh gosh, man. I can't do this anymore. Well, getting so dark to see. Well, it's like I'm knocking on heaven's door. Well, not knocking on heaven's door. Well, it's not knocking on Zion's door. Sing it. Not knocking on heaven's door. It's like I'm knocking on Zion's door. Hey, big tune. Grandma, yeah, easy. Big up, man, that is it. Let's go, let's go. It's a beautiful walk. And we reach far. Look how we reach. Then we not go on, man. We are move no, man. Oh, you mean? And look how much stop we stop. If foot them are work, you know. If foot them are work. Alright, let me see if we can take a look across through here, sir, on the red light. Yeah. So I don't know. Whole of Windward Road. Remember I walk Windward Road already, you know, the whole thing. From the KFC, go straight downtown. Yeah. So right now we reach back on Windward Road and we are going to head that side there. No, we just call the whole of that stretch of Windward Road, but to be honest with them, I'm cross. So we are going to do this now?
I tell them say,
yeah.
you're 80 years old.
Yeah, 80.
And if me use my mouth, I want to reach 50.
Jaja
like
no.
old per man. Eh?
So you just keep silent.
So you believe me?
Yeah, man, I believe you. Especially now my time. So we are doing this. We are going to build.
Okay?
We are going to build this back.
No man, him to repair. But me carry a different one. But he must say 3 times I can't go fix. But I know him up to my say no fix good.
Must say no fix good.
And the man that fix it. They don't point while I go say come feel it. It fix
comfortable.
Good. Yeah, but he must say
it not fix good.
The man for that one now.
Oh.
He must say to fix it good when I come back.
Yeah.
Make sure it not fix good. Then someone bring police. But now I care about this now. And then 15,000 and green.
Lord God, nobody show you all that money.
But look now,
Yeah.
the man cut it so way feel I'm going to say now. The man cut it. The man cut it, he never cut it so. Where was it when say when I want to go over now.
The man for sort you up more wrap it over, man, and then look at it, you know? Like you can wrap it over back, you know?
You understand me? Yeah. You don't understand, man.
Alright, big up yourself then.
Yeah, you
see?
understand.
Because I want, when I think I say, man, repair the whole thing.
No, me and Jimmy repair.
Oh.
Repair one.
Oh, you
The
repair one
that
already?
But him said the one it's not fixed good.
Oh, I want to know
So
me I get
carry
you.
back the one and the money go give him and done with it.
I'm done with. Oh, I get you. So you say repair one already?
Yeah.
But he must say, you know, fix it good.
Yeah, yeah.
So I did film on this too.
Yeah.
So you just care about that one I go
Yeah,
give him to and give him back his money.
Yeah,
I got you.
But him a talk about
Yeah, I understand.
make sure me fix it in the one about the one that street side, you know. Make sure the fix it because if bring back this time they bring police, but you don't know say I look for bring back the next one.
Yeah.
Same one and money.
I got you, man. Pick up yourself and take it
But now
easy.
the cut and look now, I
Do
don't
it.
cut now. Pan it, so where am I going to say?
Yeah, do it with love, yeah?
Alright, my brother.
Yeah. Do it with love.
Alright.
And everything we alright.
Alright.
Yeah, my blessings and respect. Cool. Me fully understand him now. Fully understand him now. So what him say is that he get 2 of the mattress to fix. He get 2 of the mattress to fix. And then now, he fix 1. But the general say him not fix it good. You understand? So, him a care about the mattress go give him. Blessed me elder, respect. Say him a care about the mattress go give him and give him back his money. Yeah. Me never da understand him for real. But me figure out what I say now. So that one I know one next one if you repair and fix, but him a carry back. Right. Yeah, sometimes I saw me not really get the maths right, but we fully get it now. And him a did it the right way. Alright. So we are going to Downtown Kingston and think. No joke, no doubt. Let's do this. The massive a big things up on the stretch over there, so me I tell you say you realize you're not too see nobody too tough on the stretcher, so we just walk the stretcher with love and protection. You see me? If you make sure everything go good and you don't want nobody mistake if you nobody as you walk through. You know? Yeah. But right now me not gonna tell nobody, so me advise you if you walk them places just so if you don't know what go on. Yeah. But nevertheless, Jamaica still a keep, Jamaica still nice, and Jamaica vibe always right. You understand? You have to create the picture for the environment that you want to see. So make it cross. So in my head, I create a picture of peace and love and unity. So we can make sure so we live to see. Okay? That is it. So we are go through real inner city. Good evening. Yeah. So on my left is actually an apartment complex and thing. Few of them down at that area. Another one over there, so too. On my right, there are apartments where people actually live and the world works. Real inner city. Yeah. So big up to everybody who are watching video same speed up to now. Enough respect to everyone now who still are watching video. Yeah, put garbage. We need them things to clean up. Well, we don't know. We have to figure out a way how to do this better than this. I don't know for the people them are wall litter this so or I don't know if I just dump them, come dump it. But we have to do better when it comes down to the place. Oh gosh man, we can do better. So over here, so yeah now. Yeah. This again. I remember if this used to be the prison. back in the days. I remember if this used to be Fort Augustus, and I don't quote me on that. But I one of them. The gate they down, so I wonder if I can catch the gate. Like I see. Don't remember what this was, but don't remember if it used to be the prisoner one company. But one of them. All the people who used to live by them here and they can tell me what this used to be. What this used to be. Alright, we're moving on. So we see a whole heap of smoke shop and over forward in Jamaica. Really. So, what day when we do the walk here? Well, last year or so when we do the walk at the building then ended there. So on Plaza the center camera here, no. That never did there. So, new Plaza that. See all this smoke shop over there. That thing. A Monarch's food so far. There. So you know where chop go. Cross, no cross. Open a smoke shop there upstairs. Oh, nice decent place, man. Clean and nice. Lovely look. Beautiful plaza to modern style. Whole heap of cameras and sitting there on it. Yeah. Beautiful. Alright, let's go. Way to downtown. You know, say center camera. I don't remember what used to there, so if it was a theater. I look at that building and said, you know, because man, them a work on it. So, I don't know if I renovate them, I renovate it, or them I get rid of it and put something new there. One and push, blessing. Fire up on TVJ, you know. TVJ strike my channel, still not get over it because I Rebel Salute. I strike my channel because I Rebel Salute. Now I not get over it. And after I talk to you so much time, I send on an email and all them things, I don't recheck it. I have to wait 90 blows and skirt days. 90 days, I wait for the strike come off of your channel. So TVJ right now, not even interview me I do on TVJ, nothing. I don't care how big Jamaica walk by get her wedding can do for me. TVJ, oh no, and I can't get no, not even me no want an interview over TVJ. And then pick a man blows and skirt, hold on, because you can pick a. And them another. Woo! And the size of them bigger. And the size of them bigger. Cha. And the size of them on there. Yo. For them food ground this up. All of them baby them, everybody there feast. Yo. Aye. This one, Santo. Yeah, massive, let's go. So this is a real inner city Kingston. Real downtown. Yeah. When I hear people talk about real inner city and downtown and them things at them places. Real downtown. Yes man, without a doubt. So when you say you come to Jamaica and you go Kingston, if you don't walk them places, you know what, the real Kingston. Real inner city. Yeah. Look good. Real. Godfather. Boy, manners. Oh, Jamaica walk by. Alright, so Jamaica walk by is a channel you walk and pick up people and then look at things as a stick. Over here. So right now you just catch a road, the building, them, the whole like ambience, the natural vibe. You want to catch all the dog, you can catch all the dog. I got to promote people business, see all them dolly there in this, I know would I like to talk to all the dolly there. Showcase the bar. I'm on a whole heap of dolly me see them. Let me showcase a business here. Are you in? I could see one, where's spot name? You don't showcase upon Jamaica walk by my friend. Yeah, I saw them two, I feel two nice ones. That one run it up. So one from the front and now. Look like a virgin one. That's how we say my friend, you're not afraid of camera because beautiful ladies not shy now. No, man, beautiful ladies not shy, man. What could talk about a bar here? Look good.
You're not afraid of a camera. This is Mama Jenny's spot. Come here, put me.
Yeah, talk to it. Look good. Alright, that is it.
Mama Jenny's spot. We have a cookout the 22nd of November, right here, sir. Right here at the end.
And them things
the 20th of November, we have a dance right here. So big up my friend birthday.
Come here, my friend. Come now, come shoot. Oh no, yes. Look good. Watch out. Come here, what's your Instagram? Come give you a shout out. Let me turn up Instagram. Because they might kill me. Say, no man, don't have to give me Instagram. Talk to it. Look up. Girl, nice, man. Bye. So right, that's how we have a capture link of them. We have all of them sit there. Look good. Magnum, Superjet, Heineken, Dragon. See them? 16 what? That is it. So we have all the machine there. But just shoot me the money and you get money out. You understand? Look good. Shoot me the money and you get money out. And a joke thing. Yeah. Play school and nice dolly them in a bar and sit up.
November the 22nd and my birthday, November the 20th, big bad party.
That is so November 20th.
And things. And big up the DJ Brownman.
Yeah, we're Brownman, the Brownman partner man. So that is it, we there a nice spot. So right now, I like how that spot you look. One heap of cool juice. Look good now man. That is it, look good now man. Should be in the money and you get money out. Just forward all crew, all massive. Look good. Nice little spot, clean and pretty. Hey, me like a Dahlia voice, you know. Don't go, hey, my friend, you come right out. Big up your place, no man.
Last time I spot 24/7, 365 days for the year. Big up Mama Jenny, she's still alive, she's still alive.
That is it, yes. That is it. Me like the spot, me like the energy. What you have on Instagram?
Yeah.
TikTok, come in. Tell me your Instagram.
Tell her.
Cause all of them people, where phone they find it? Cause all of them people go on here. Say it again. Chanel_that21. What's your one? Oh, your one. Chanel_that21. Yeah, you got bigger 360 again. For your camera. Bet them forward. Whoa! Watch girl. Weird. That's what she man. Hey, weird. That's what she man. Hey, don't say me ever go come father. So. Listen me, when me finish video, me go father come get 2 drinks. I'm going to sponsor the bar. You understand? Big up on yourself. Me so forward. You hear that? Yeah. A Jamaica walk by, see? Yeah. They love the vibe.
Jamaica walk by. Jamaica walk by. Pick them up.
Hey, what you see that? You're not afraid of camera?
Yeah, I'm afraid of that.
Hey, massive. Listen, Jamaica walk by. We walk a showcase in natural vibe in our place and thing. Wait there. Look on white socks on foot. Look good now man, a white t-shirt. Clean now man. Watch a man. Tommy Hilfiger and Nike on foot. Jeez, are you clean so? Touch it now man. Figure that. Oh you mean, yo, me rate you though. You're a real Jew, you know. Because you know, everybody I go forward and this a spot, you know why? Because you go stop me and say, I vibe spot. And then $2 in the full of vibe.
Big up Dolly Cooker. Look how she could do.
Sweet. I feel me that. Big up, yeah man. Me have a look at that. You know, she too. Oh, you mean? One love, you're my teacher. Blessings and respect. Oh, see poster here.
See poster here.
Look good. See it here? Fish fry. You understand? No joke. So we are talking about the fish fry here. The menu, we have steamed fish, we have fried fish, jerk chicken, jerk pork, bunch of the potato salad, base in the festival and Bammy. And me I say I went a Mama Jen bar, you know, 16 East Queen Street, you know, Kingston, you know, look good man. And me I say I went November 22nd, 2024, and a normal thing. And me I say look for the price, them I give you a ticket, them and for chicken, and just 2,500. And the fish, them I go for chicken. Yeah, look at that man. Yeah, watch out, outside with it. I'm thing, but I keep on that, so I'm not forget, you hear that? It's not like they rate the energy, so I make sure I put it in front so everybody will see it quick. Yeah, man. Yeah, what I mean, now some big up to them, big up somebody now, man. What you mean?
Big up Sean.
Big up my baby, you know.
Yeah.
Straight up in New York.
What's she there, New York?
Straight up in New York, she big.
That is it, figure that, you hear that, anyway you see it, you know. That is it. Hey, a real general this year, you know. You understand? No joke, no. You hear that? Right. Tell us your Jamaica walk by.
3rd of November, you know, right on the valley, over the road.
Yeah, 3rd of November.
3rd of November.
Figure that, you hear? Straight. Figure that, clean step. Yeah, the vibe spot this at over. Look good, man, and the vibe spot. Mama Jen spot. And we are talking about this city on November 22nd. Fish fry, right there, sir? Right there, sir, look good. I mean, look good. So when you reach downtown, you don't do so if you don't do, look good. Right straight, center camera, the park. St. Thomas bus stop. You just walk up straight down and drive and park. See there? 16 East Queen Street. You can't miss it. Look good. Big up on yourself. Be so forward, come buy a drink. Oh, you mean? You're not there, see how we are. They said, don't move. Alright, she said me nothing move. Oh, you mean? Look good. Authentic radio, right across from over there, so. See there? East Queen Street Baptist Church, right across it with there. I will a vibe, you understand? No joke, no. I see it there? George Leslie Center, the right there, so you can't miss it. So you know exactly what me do to support the bar. You understand? Sell out the bar, buy out the bar, everything. Cool liquor, hot liquor, top shelf, low shelf, juice for your stomach. Bust 2 gas pan a Pepsi. Oh, you mean? Everything there. We there on the next part. They look like our wholesale.
Bag juice, straight bag juice.
Where's the bag juice?
Yeah, man, wholesale bag juice.
Wholesale bag juice.
You get them at $280. $300.
Oh, so all the people that we have see on the street and sell beer bag juice, alright, I say then come buy it. Oh, you mean? So it's all flavor.
Straight.
That is it. So if you want your wholesale bag juice, forward right, so come buy. Remember now we have cold and we have them tough already. So if you want them tough, they look up, see, look at the price. You understand? Because I know we have to pay the current light bill. You know, go. You understand? Oh, you mean? What's that? What a party? Or you're what?
Big up that one, yeah.
Alright, I could see one here, because you know we have to big it up straight.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so we are talking about what it's a Billy YG. And we are talking about Sunday on the ends. That is it.
Badness.
Rich badness. Oh gosh, but no poor badness.
DJ Julops from Jamrock.
That is it. Oh, you mean?
Yeah,
Julops, Jamrock. That is it.
Bring the bar right at your feet.
Figure that. Jamrock.
Yeah, man. Rich badness.
Rich badness. See that when I did? When I did again?
The third of November.
That is it, man. You mean? Blessings and respect. You hear that?
Yeah.
We rate the vibe and the energy and nice. How far that ladies come through now? Pass my friend. Oh, feel man.
Yeah.
Feel, hey, look good now, man. Let's see a feel now the pass, you know. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, we're so forward. See? That is it. Yeah, man, that's how we say, man, a vibes and thing. When we are promoting, we promote it till it's done. Yeah, we can't let them know about it. You hear that? That is it. We're outside, downtown.
Big up your brother.
God, respect. YouTube, Jamaica walk by. Yeah, me I gonna actually drop this. If on a Sunday or Wednesday. Yeah, me only post Sunday and Wednesday. Yeah, Jamaica walk by. Respect me teacher. Respect. Artist one, me can't pass on a showcase the artist them in a Jamaica walk by, you know. Yeah. Well, baby. Yes, that's close. You listen, no, you. I care, you dog.
Be a connection me and make friends.
Yo, the Sanchez, man.
Sanchez.
Yeah. Your deputy head boy, man. Remember, there's a sing with all Kevin and all them, man. Jaja know you. Seal it now, man. Jamaica walk by. So this is now.
Oh, I know you're a DJ.
I mean, right now we are record right now. We not cut. Right now we are record. Give me a one song.
We're in the worst condition right now.
Oh, in a them song,
no, another.
Oh, what's that? Oh, vice wise. I hear what?
We can get something big for us.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Drop something, man. I want to make sure say Instagram outside. Yeah, man. Acapella. Give me peace, alright. Alright, G, I ready for it. Yeah. Big up my stats massive them. Big up my stats massive them. What me teacher? Eh? Are you heard this? Where's speaker then?
Just know say old talk of it die for sure. All if them if up to Chinatown. Wait till me go the bigger than Chinatown.
Say that one thing, man. Oh, teacher, good. Respect and manners in the dark. Respect. Yeah. So we outside, it's just a vibe, it's just an energy and thing, you know what I mean? Big up all of my stats massive, 1 St. Andrew Technical High School. You see, no joke, no doubt. You understand? Oh, you mean? So from the G I say, he must see what go on, he must realize what go on. We just have a whole of vibe and whole of energy and thing. Real down at town. Mad, let that bill run us up. Sit down. It's a vibe, it's an energy. You know, so I can't pass done, especially a virgin. From him an artist, we have to showcase him from Jamaica walk by. You don't know where you go. Oh, you mean? So I say we talk about the party, you don't know, so one of them are 22nd of November and thing. Yeah. And we are talking about writers or too. You know, no joke, no doubt. We are talking about a fish fryer, same speed. Is it? Yeah. Writer Jen. No joke, no doubt. And make sure say, I want you give up. Yeah, make sure put it there and listen what I go on to. Yeah. So right now, where they can find up on the media?
Alright, I'm watching Lyric King, you know. Lyric King on any platform. LYRYKING King.
Lyric King, all platform. Figure that, man.
You some acapella.
Yeah.
Record.
Yeah, man. Ready? Yes, straight.
Watch out. Conscious, because we don't really like the use and the gun message and you see it. Watch out now. Alright, walk on.
Yeah, pause that. Oh, you mean? So right now, that's how we do it. Panic spot. Right away, no joke, no doubt, all natural. I would just hold a joy, same speed. You see me? Yeah. Right now, I mean, I have no rhythm, sir. If you have a rhythm in there, you could have dropped it same speed if you want. But you can. Alright then. Lord. Lord. Mommy, you up there? You look out for me. How you mean, man? Jamaica walk by. Yeah. Someone from Stats, man. When you said that, I said,
never forget to go PS, bro.
that's true.
Yeah, and
You know, so when you start,
so I can't forget
said, from when you start, I look at you and I say, Bombard. How you mean? Yeah, man. So, Massive, you know, me now left until him do something because you know, sir, first thing is a Stats Massive. Big up on me St. Andrew Technical Massive, them, you understand? Yeah. No joke, no doubt. Miss Christie, anyway, you're there.
Miss Christie, big up, bless you.
You mean?
Yeah, we come set up in the dark, and I realize my teeth are touching each other, bro.
Oh. That me I go through too. Wisdom teeth settings.
Yeah, look at the time of the year. I know something jumping on my teeth too. Anyway, boom! You don't know what they're kicking, I think they do. I'm here to big up Stats. Southside. Rich! I'm making up of this one day, one day, I'm wearing it up. Watch your style on my squad. If you keep me just in no teeth, fuck you right from the boat teeth then. Millions and we have 14. Kind them thick like oatmeal. Shine like goldfish. That is in get the house with jet. I cap my life so I bought it. Anyway you see me they am more interest. Now every day, another day, another dollar. The bang hotter than the catfish of a mother. I should take a muscle, the client of a mother. Chica banana, the killer no go jaggers. Just sell the house, catch up in a dana. Just send the cash up, sell the cash up. See the match up, and start at the water. They'll walk out and no back myself, reach it in a notice. Fat new ride on the 40 then. Millions and we have 14. That is still get the house with jet. I chop my life so I go it. Anyway, you see me, watch this side, switch up. Boom! Yeah, govern. Don't worry about me, man, govern. Me and we love you so bad. Granny used to say, oh, you're stubborn, so sure, now I offshore accounts, man, power up. Millions, we had the power as the hours count. If somebody start the fuck look on our luck now. Bad mind can't make a coward out now. I just was smoker. We do the zone brain they are close so. Go check up on a code and the logo. Watching me and date me for promotion. Half of the millions, them on the phone. Warm like a Senegal. So it's to be hard for the bitchy shop. The transaction drop off like the mini van. Call said the kitty warm up. You shot that. Now when you see the land. Tell the spoons. Now show the kitty pan.
Yo, that name calm and deadly. Yo, me catch you at the right time. Bro, what me say? The right time me catch him. Yo. Panigram again, one more time for the social.
LYRY King. LYRYKING. Lyric King.
Why you link me on Instagram?
I'm in a fucked up condition and I realize when I have a chat it in about watch him. One bone jump up in my teeth and I'm swell up my fucking gum. So every time I talk, my two teeth I touch on the corner side of the pain.
Problem.
In a real life.
You're a real artist.
It's a studio track. I'm just saying that you know how to flex and fight, but in a real life, I love him, but I perform that little better than.
So you will link me on Instagram so I make sure say Jamaica walk by. So I can make sure say I put in all like socials them right where me Jenna.
I think that you see some more thing. Or I want some cool vibes and you can share all I want video if you want. I will know what I want. You see me?
That is it, my bro.
That was nothing all of it.
Respect our man.
Yeah, walk around live.
Yeah, man. In a live, but record straight though. We not stop because we make sure we show them so we not make up nothing. Yeah. So, I downtown me I go. So, I soon circle back in black here.
You don't run for the TikTok and see what I go on. You see it?
Catch your TikTok.
Alright, watch it now. Lyric King, you see it?
Draw back down the TikTok.
Alright, watch it now.
See it there?
That's at the page.
Mad.
Watch it now. Give it something fast. This I want to flex with DJ man.
Oh, I don't want the copyright to that rhythm here. So they're on TikTok, show circle. See? Now finish a video downtown and we are just going to energy in the forward. See? That is it. Good to see you again, boy. You have a living color, hear that? So forward. Oh, you mean respect. As a man said, code outside. So forward enough. What an energy, man. Big up every time at the right time, you see. Yo. No joke, no doubt. Yeah, it's a vibe, it's an energy. Natural. And when I can get people to just be them natural self right away, if I pain them I feel and thing. Yeah. My friend them, hello. Can't be gonna subscribe to my YouTube there. What's so much dolly I go? I'm not afraid of camera. And gone. I'm afraid she's afraid of camera. Yeah. Yeah. No joke. So massive, that was a nice energy. Nice vibe downtown. I mean, I tell you, we're not done yet because we still got through. You see? Real inner city. As you make a run that video, you go straight to 1 million. Why no long me smelly crab them and I wonder where them there? Oh gosh, man. Oh Lord, now man, look good. Oh my word. Crab. Big up on yourself. That is it, man. Not from your walk, me I say, where crab there? Right, I say there. Then your aroma, you can't stop. Can't start. Big up and respect. Whole heap of season. Oh gosh, no man. Big up every time, man. And my food, that, you know. Anyway, them me find it, you know. Oh gosh. Oh, we are walk through. Wow, me I tell you. Nice little vibe down a town and thing. Eh. Down a town. So if you now watch thus far, do me a beg on subscribe to the thing. Subscribe. It's a great energy. Yeah. Over there. Rosemary Lane on East Queen Street. Yeah. Respect. Say it. Blessed. Oh, whole heap of new works, you know? Yeah, man. Let's go through. You don't know when I play with the copyright, so once a year copyright, or none of them pretty songs I play, but gone, nah, stay, no joke, no dog. And when we realize it look like curfew, I go on the whole of them places. You see me? Yeah. No joke. Hold on, make a pass through this again. Nice again, make a go through. Nice again. Watch out now, run from it. We not work with the copywriting of this at all. You understand? Cause you know the thing go. YouTube make it so hard to edit out them something there, you know one thing. Worse, if you don't know if it did I go catch, you see me? Judge and no star. Let's go. So we're on East Queen Street. I'll move through. Yeah. Oi, oi. Cook shop here, mash up my nose, smell sweet, man. Yeah. Look, oh, you don't smell the aroma, man? Cha-cha. Smell good and fresh. Smell good, boy. Trust me. I don't know. Police station over there, so. Kingston Central Division from East Queen Street. Let's move through. A barber shop here, Lord. That's nice little spot. Nice little spot, build up down here, man. Nice and things, nah go around. Nice little spot, build up down here, so. Jaja know. Nice little spot. Whoa, yo. Some nice little spot I build up down here, so I nah go around now. They must stretch out the town far. Town a stretch out far. Whole heap of nice little chill spot and things. This is real nice. But that spot a name, lot of money. Mad thing, lot of money. That's so nice. So as we move through, you understand? Say it there all the time. You know we're not a white man still, but we just work with the sign. Yeah. Somebody say we're almost in the heart of town. Yeah. Ready, ready, ready. Let's do this. Yes, sir. Good evening, ladies. That is it. Boy, may I tell us what a video sweet. What a walk sweet. We actually did it, you know, because we're the downtown. Yes, man. A downtown with it. Down a town. What a vibe, what a energy. Just a walk and a look on real life, eh, man? Just as real life is. Eh? Just as real life is as you walk through down a town. And we are walk from top Vineyard Road. That are from Excelsior we are walk from. Come all the way downtown. What a video sweet. Boy, big up on my Jamaica walk by massive, and trust me, if you're there watch same way, you're real general. If you're there watch from we start, one love and blessings and big up to you all. You don't know that. Big up and respect now, man. Yeah. Watch a hell of your coming data here. I pull it out. Man. Yes, my teacher, I like a vibe here, you know. Yeah, Jamaica walk by, you see me, my teacher. I wouldn't mind like catch you pull out here because I don't see it very regular, you know. I'm general, say nothing wrong. You know, so I walk from Excelsior High School, come straight downtown. See how far that? Yeah. Just I walk and I showcase people things. So massive, look here. Right in the street downtown, I see a general here, so.
Yeah.
Are you daughter?
No, I'm a son. I'm looking for friend.
Data. Yeah, me like what you do. See, I pull out here and them thing, yeah. Yes. Because sometimes I saw me there woman from a younger youth, I saw me used to pull out my little cousin them here, you know. And all of that, so tell me, my daughter know what pull out it. Right and thing. Oh, it's a YouTuber, Jamaica walk by. You see me, you're in a general.
I know, pick up and look the same thing where up. You know,
yeah, that is it, man. So me rate what you do, it's a good look. You know what I mean? Me see everybody now as elders a showcase to the youth, them say do the right thing. If a vibes got them, me say come out and I say yo, do the right thing. And I just sit that. Respect and manners. But I like to check out the channel Jamaica Walk by, make you see it. Respect and manners and love, heart and love always. Hear that? Guidance and protection. Here, pretty girl, it's safe here. That is it. This is real love. And them things we are push forward in our street. You understand? Yes. Real vibe, natural. General just sit down and go and pull out a little girl here and thing. Love that. Love that. Love that. And them things that we want to see in our world. Yeah, man. Oh, yo. Yeah. I'm turn up right side. Yeah. So right now St. Thomas bus stop with it. Right, so if you go Harbour View, Bull Bay, all of them places there, I right down and say you come take the bus. You see me? Yeah. Good evening, Grandma. Blessed good evening. Good afternoon. Yeah. Let's go. I may say if you're new to the channel, Jamaica Walk By is all about love and unity, respect and manners everywhere. You understand? Yeah. And at that we are showcase natural life, natural ambiances, the real liberty of the world. You understand? The real liberty. Oneness. People are walk about, go about them natural business and live life. You know? Yeah. And it's been great. It's been a wonderful video. I see that we reached Downtown, right? Downtown Kingston. You there? See how the park across the road. Look good. We did it. So we walk from Excelsior High School onto Vineyard Road. And then we take on the whole stretch now. See there? East King Street. We end up Shubot back pan. And there, in the heart of Downtown Kingston. Yeah, massive. No joke, no doubt. It's been great. It's been a great vibe and thing. Love it. Downtown. And it's just beautiful. You know, we hear copyright, so we take time move fast out time. Now play with it, you understand? Cause no matter who artists are play, you know, them a go one piece of cookie or them a make you can't monetize the video. So you know we are move through. We not deal with the copyright something else. See? Outside. Downtown. I'm not shopping right now, my friend. Blouse and skirt, I owe this. Remember me? When I come down with Miss Trudy, big YouTuber man, and we video thing. What people tell us that they see up on it. Whole heap. You know, so I actually walk from Excelsior High School, come straight as so. Whole of Vineyard Road, come straight down and reach downtown. I hear me right now, my record. So massive, you remember him? Remember me father, Miss Trudy? Yeah man, I rural fruits man this year. With the freshest fruits them down at all. Yes man, no joke, no doubt. Yeah. All a great look at energy. See me in the street again, I go and do it. The hustling have to go on.
Really, man.
Yeah. So from me know say me do that because my studio I'm a big YouTuber. So all heap of people go to come there and say, yeah, we see you, yeah. Yeah. That's why I tell people say sometimes when you see camera coming in place, so nobody afraid of it. Once a business you don't want to sell, showcase on a thing. You understand? Yeah, because when I wanted people in the street I sell. So have money you want to make. So see them massive, I don't town, I see them spot him there. You understand? All of them pretty grapes are apple, pine, melon. Look good. Clean thing we are dealing with.
All fruits,
yeah. All some of them look a foreigner there, you know, forward come buy, man. You married it?
Yeah.
Oh, you're lucky, because I know say white in a guy with him, you know. But I come down here and can't find him. Yes, I migrate. So big up yourself in general. Respect our manners always, is it? Yeah, but outside Jamaica walk by here. Cool, man. Yeah, man, it's a vibe, man. It's an energy, man. Down at town. And it's all about Christmas are forward and them little thing there. Christmas are forward and it's going to be great. Oh, them are do some renovation to them at town too. All them places, them never stay so. But change up nice. Machine. So, down at town actually I set up nice. Whole heap of dolly downtown. Yeah. So we're downtown Kingston. So what I got is that I'm going to do a nightlife downtown Kingston. See what downtown Kingston look like after dark or going onto the dark. And all of them great things there. You see? Yeah. Oh yeah, so look forward to an end of another interesting video on Jamaica Walk By. And yeah, with the downtown Kingston, and it was an epic walk. I'm sure you can say that too. So we probably don't do a nightlife downtown Kingston to make you see what downtown Kingston look like after that. But so far I don't know. Big up to everybody who stay tuned and watch the entire video. Super appreciate it, and I just want to say mad love and respect to everyone who actually been watching Jamaica Walk By, making Jamaica Walk By become a successful channel. You know, well over 200,000 subscribers now, so it's great, and we're on the road to go 1 million. So if you watch thus far and you like it, I don't know what you've been waiting on. Maybe you've been waiting on the end. So now that you're there at the end, please make a like the video and drop some comment if you love the vibe, if you love the energy and all of them great things they see. Big up to Lex, you don't know my partner in crime, that mad love, mad respect. You understand? He support you over the years, and all the other massive them who been supporting Jamaica Walk By. You know, Fabian, thank you so much. See? So downtown Kingston, I might just do a video so I go on downtown Kingston in the night here, because Christmas is creeping in fast. You understand? And you know, whole heap of man them out, whole heap of ladies out, whole heap of food, whole heap of selling, whole heap of shopping, whole heap of everything. Juice man over there, so party over there, so eat. It's just a vibe downtown always. So all my ladies them, you know, man them there. You understand? All my gentlemen, them ladies them there. And you know, the whole thing go all over the world. So respect and thank you so much for watching. Mad love. Don't know, big up Brandsdan Fashion too on Instagram, that Brandsdan with a Z. So it's Brandsdan.fashion on Instagram. I'm a local brother thing, so I'm gonna support him shop. See? One love and we outside. That is it.